TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. Dow Industrials are up 45. Nasdaq's down 3. S&P's flat at 2107. We have the gold contract up $13.20, trading at $1,202 an ounce. Silver is up 40 cents at $17.10. You have platinum up 6 at $1,119 an ounce. Oil is flat out there at $60.24 a barrel. Bond market. The 10-year is down 10.6, trading out at 127.11. 30-year is down 1 point and 7 ticks at 154.13. Both the 10-year, folks, and the 30-year, bottom line, rolled over last Friday. I expect what you're going to see lower prices now, higher yields coming inside the marketplace. King Dollar's up 294 ticks, trading at the 97.28 level. What King Dollar had done is this. King Dollar did a 0.618 retracement from its high in March. Bottom line, gave it up there. We'll see whether it rolls, continues to roll. It rolled on Friday. Euro is up 49, trading at a 109, and the yen is up 17 at 124.32. Now, what we have is this. Last Friday, bottom line, the market gave it up and gave it up with volume. Very subtle. I mean, subtle in a huge way. Specifically, that the volume exploded. We had the rebalancing of the Russell. We did 1.2 billion shares on the NYSE. Gave it up on price. The cash S&P right now is 2109. It had closed on Friday at the 2107 level. All it had to do was close under 2119. What does that set up? That sets up, folks, a run down to the lower consolidation that we're in. The first part of that is 2099. The larger portion of that is down at the 2039 level. If we go over and we take a look at the actual S&P futures this morning, what you have is that about as good as you can get. Specifically, what I mean is this. They were pushing the S&Ps up, the NASDAQ futures up, before the market could open, and bottom line, they had no juice in it. What the NASDAQ futures and the S&P futures did is come right up to basically ICE, and ICE is where we broke down on the 29th of May, and we broke down with volume. That, if we take a look at the SPY and you want to see the expansion of volume, was pretty dramatic. The SPY came down on Friday with 124 million shares. The SPY right now is trading up 51. I suspect you're going to see another rollover. The biggest rollover out here thus far this morning was the strongest index, was the NDX 100. The NDX 100, if we take a look at the 3 Qs, that rolled really quickly. It's had high volatility, and you can expect that high volatility, folks, to continue inside the marketplace. Now, gold contract, gold's off the bottom. Gold has refused to basically stay at lower price. You have wide price spread today. You got the accelerated volume. You have all of the above. Right now, we're up $11.50. You're trading at $12.01. Gold's going to make that run for the last swing point up there, which is the 1232.80. We'll see whether we got any juice behind it to get it up and over and into that 1300 area. Silver, same setup in silver. Silver has a wide price spread today, accelerated volume. Inside that silver market, what you do have out here is that silver has been stronger than gold. And I expect what you're going to see is that you're going to see a climb up to the highs that were generated out here in June before gold does. Bottom line is that silver's at 1706. Silver wants to run up to this 1855 level. You can expect high volatility to continue throughout the day today. The Dow right now is up 70. NASDAQ is up 3. S&P's flat. Bottom line, by the end of the day, what you're going to see is all these indices more than likely trade inside the red. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow, 10 a.m.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they've just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.